Another icon beat. Mr. G's class, online learning, school closure, let's go. This is Mr. G's class. I said it's Mr. G's class. I said it's Mr. G's class. I'm online. This is Mr. G's class. I said it's Mr. G's class. This is Mr. G's class. 1, 2. I'm online. Yeah, I'm online. Yeah. Grab your pencil and pen. Now let's begin. Got the lessons online, time to learn again. Try your best, complete the work, the best that you can. As I come up with great original lesson plans, I'm keeping you busy like bees in a hive. Lesson plans on the hard drive, kicking it live. We're gonna do math and English most of the time, but trust me, we'll have fun like me saying this rhyme.
He-Man, today they're doing fractions and they'll never get it.
They will understand. You watch them. They're smart.
Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to start a new unit in math, and it's going to be on fractions, something that I found very difficult when I was a kid. And by definition, fractions just means part of a whole. So let's jump right into this lesson. So today I want to show you through the first example what a fraction is. Now you learned this years ago, probably in grade 2 or 3, but this is a quick refresher here. So the numerator is the top number right there, the 1, and the denominator of a fraction is the bottom portion. Now the denominator just means how many parts there are to the whole, and the numerator is the selection or part of the whole. So in this first shape, there are 2 parts to the whole, and 1 is selected or shaded in. So half, or 1 over 2, so half of the shape is shaded in. In the one below, when you look at this, there are 6 parts to the whole. All right, that's the denominator. And 2 parts are shaded in. So 2/6 of this shape is shaded in. Now, we can also use fractions to describe sets. So I have a set here of He-Man figures. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 complete figures here. And 2 of them are good guys, He-Man and Orko. These 2 guys here, 1, 2, He-Man and Orko are the good guys. And there are 4 bad guys. So we have Merman, Hordak, Skeletor, and Beastman. So there's a total of 6. So that's a denominator. So right there we have a 6. And 2 guys out of the 6 are good guys. So 2/6 of this complete set are good guys. So fractions can be used to describe a set, or they can be used to describe part of a whole. If I had to use another fraction here to describe the bad guys in this set, or the number of bad guys in the set, it would be 4/6, because there are 4 bad guys out of a total 6 characters. All right. Now, the next thing you need to know for today's lesson are equivalent fractions. All right. So here I have my book here, and it says equivalent fractions are fractions that represent the same part of a whole or the same part of a set. So getting back to my example over here, I have 1/2 here, 1/2. But if I split it again, you notice that this section is equivalent or the same to that section. So we have 2 equivalent fractions here. This one is 1/2, and this one is 2/4 or 2/4, 2 over 4. So those are equivalent fractions. Now, in a similar way, where we had this 2/6 here, I can divide it in a different way and have 1/3. So see how these 2 green parts are equal in size? I just chopped it up differently, split it differently. And this one is 1/3, but it's equivalent to 2/6. In a similar way, if I divided it even more, I would have 4 over 12. Okay, all of these are equivalent fractions because they represent the same part of a whole. Okay? So that's the lesson for today. You're going to be doing 2 pages today, page 108 and 109. And this video should help you out when completing this assignment. I think they got it, He-Man.
They do. Have fun.
Another icon beat. Mr. G's class, online learning, school closure. Let's go. This is Mr. G's class.